Welcome everyone to another new video. I hope you're all doing well. Many of you sell products on Etsy or Shopify, but struggle to get sales. One of the main reasons is that your product listings are not optimized or attractive enough. In today's video, I'll show you how to create premium product listings that can help improve your conversions and sales. Now take a look at this premium product listing. You can see how professionally the description has been designed. It includes highlighted text, GIFs, detailed personalization information, and clear explanations of what can be customized. It also features review images, which help build trust and increase customer confidence in the product. I'll show you exactly how to upload and create a premium product listing like this for your own store. First of all, you need to create and design everything in Photoshop. If we look at the design, we can see that only the name is customizable. So we will save a version of the design without the name. Now, let's go to Anywhere POD. First, you need to upload the font here. You only need to upload the font that is used for the name customization. To do that, we'll go back to Photoshop and check the font name. Let's name the font so we can easily locate it whenever we need it. Now select Shine On and find the product you want to upload. Since we're going to upload a blanket, simply search for blanket to locate the product. We're going to upload a coral fleece blanket, so start design that product. Upload artwork. Since we're going to customize the name, we need to add a text field. Give name. Since the text is white in the design, we'll set the text color to white. We need to apply the font that we uploaded earlier. Now we need to position the text properly so that it fits the design perfectly. If you look closely, the font includes an outline. To match the design, we'll add an outline using the advanced options. Now, enable the personalization option and set the title. Now, we need to set up the wife's name customization in the same way. Now, upload without name background. All set. Create product. Add Shine on Mockup and select Mockup, then generate Mockup. wait for generating mockup. Now, select Mockup. Give title and description. Now enable live preview. Now push to Shopify. Next, go to Edit in Shopify. Now, we'll download all the mockups from here. The mockups we downloaded are low quality, so we'll use an image upscaler to upscale them. Once the images have been upscaled, we'll move over to Canva and create a square-sized page. Now, we need to select a mockup that we can use to create personalized mockup images and upload to Canva. Now, we'll highlight all the personalization options available for the product. Since this design includes both the husband's and wife's names, I've added the label Couple Personalized Names. To make it stand out even more, you can use different types of arrows and design elements to draw attention to the customization area. Now, I'll show you how to create a GIF using Canva. First, create a square-sized video project. Now, upload all upscaled mockup. Next, add the mockups to the video one by one. Set the duration of each mockup to 1 to 2 seconds so the GIF looks smooth and engaging. Once your GIF is ready, choose GIF as the file type and then download it. Next, we'll create product detail mockups. For this part, I'll use ChatGPT to help generate the details mockup. For the product details section, we'll upload the mockups that we downloaded from Shopify. You can give ChatGPT a prompt like, "Make premium and professional this image." Look how amazing it turned out. Now, let's download the image. By uploading a review image as a reference and combining it with the product mockup, ChatGPT can generate a polished review image that looks more realistic and trustworthy. Yeah, it's done now. Download it. For the description section, we'll ask ChatGPT to create eye-catching highlight text that makes the product stand out. Now create the description section, just like I did. Start by adding the highlighted text, then adjust the text sizes by using a mix of medium and large fonts to create a clear visual hierarchy. Finally, choose attractive text colors that match your brand and make the content easy to read. Now upload GIF. Next, delete all the existing mockups from the listing. Then upload the upscaled mockups, review images, and product detail mockups that we created earlier. Next, go to the product image section and upload your personalized mockup as the first image. This ensures that customers see the personalized version of the product immediately when they open the listing. Next, it's time to improve the product's SEO. Ask ChatGPT to create an SEO-friendly meta description, product tags, image alt text, category, and product type to help your listing rank better in search results. Now save, and our premium listing done. Now, review everything carefully to make sure all the details are correct and working properly. It looks like everything is set up correctly. Thank you all for watching the video. I really appreciate your time and support. See you in the next one. Having problem uploading your customized product? Want us to upload your customized product for you? Contract us. Custom POD design.